Hi friends, welcome to B.ed Solutions. Today I am sharing the micro lesson plans for B.ed third semester English. This is the second micro lesson plan I am sharing. The first one I've already shared, you can check in the links. The second skill is skill of introduction. As you can see over here, first we'll write the skill used. Second, the name of pupil teacher, then subject, class, topic, which is the name of the lesson, section, duration. Micro lesson plans are usually for 6 to 7 minutes only. Then we write the specific objective, which is practicing proper use of the component. After that, we write the components of the skill, as you can see over here. Then comes the presentation part. Here we divide the page into 4 columns. First is serial number, then teacher's activity, pupil's activity, and we write the components. As you can see, we give a little bit of introduction of the topic with explanation. Then we ask the questions. Students will answer. Then we write the components accordingly. Then comes the observation with the rating scale. Hope it is clear. Then comes the evaluation of the skill of introduction. We again make a table where we write the serial number, the components, give the ratings, and then we total. Last is the signature part, where the pupil teacher will sign as well as the subject teacher will sign. Now we come to the third micro plan, which is for skill of reinforcement. Reinforcement is a skill through which the teacher can encourage the students while teaching in the class. Reinforcement can be positive as well as negative. This reinforcement plays a vital role while teaching. Again, we'll start with the name of pupil teacher, subject, class, topic, duration. Then we write the name of the skill. Accordingly, we write the components. The components will always be same. Every skill have different components. You can note down the components from here. Then starts the presentation part. Again, 4 columns. Teacher's activity mein you can write the exploration will be done by the teacher. Students are attentive. Then we ask the questions, write the components accordingly. Then comes the observation table with the rating scale. Then comes the fourth micro lesson plan, which is for skill of illustration. We'll write little bit of introduction about the illustration skill. See, the format for all the micro teaching plans is same. First we write the introduction, then we put the name of the teacher, subject, class, topic. Then comes the specific objective. Then we write the components of the skill. The same pattern is followed in all the skills. Then comes the presentation part. I hope it is clear. Here the explanation is done by the teacher. Because I am using this skill for a grammar topic, so I am writing the examples also. As it is the illustration skill, like I've made this for verbs, you can see I am giving the examples also. Then accordingly I am writing the components over here. Then comes the observation with rating scale part. We will evaluate the skills. like I've written in the components column all the components. Rating is dependent on how many times I have used each component. Okay, so you can see the numbers accordingly. Then is the overall general comments part. Poor, below average, average, above average, excellent. Then is the signature part. Now comes the fifth skill. I'm sharing all the skills together in one video so that it is easy for you all. This is skill of lecturing. The topic is prepositions. Specific objective is practicing proper use of the content. Then I've written the components of the skill. Then comes the presentation part. Presentation part is always in 4 columns: serial number, teacher's activity, student's activity, and the components. Here the questions are followed. Then is the observation skill. Here is the evaluation table and the signature part. Then the sixth skill is skill of stimulus variation. Again, the specific objective, components, presentation part begins. This is the evaluation part. This is also same. For all the skills you have to follow the same pattern. Then is the seventh skill, which is skill of questioning. Again we'll write the components, then the presentation will begin. Here is the last skill, that is a blackboard skill. This is a very important skill while teaching. It is important that the teacher should know the proper use of the blackboard. Components are written over here. In the blackboard skill, you need to add another column, which is the blackboard work. Here you can stick some miniatures to show what you are explaining on the blackboard, and accordingly you will write the components. Then comes the observation with the rating scale, and here is the evaluation of the skill of blackboard. I hope this is helpful for you all. In case you all need any more information, please put a message. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe.